What do caregivers really need? Well, they need clean spaces and quiet naps. I've got more tips for supporting caregivers. Hey friend, I'm Mandy and I'm a certified health and life coach, and I'm helping Gen X women get the answers that they need from their doctors so that they can feel their best. Now, after caregiving for my brother for 15 months at his home, my house looked like it had been hit by a tornado. I'd been bouncing back and forth between my place and my brother's place. And once I was with him for full time for the last 3 months before he passed, when I got back home, I felt like everything was just chaos. Plus, I was in a fog. I was exhausted. I was numb. I was unable to grasp that my brother was gone. And I was surrounded by a total mess. But then one of my awesome friends offered to pay her housekeeper to come and clean my house. And that moment of kindness gave me such a huge amount of peace and relief. You just wouldn't believe it. So if you want to help out a caregiver but not sure what to do, here are some more ideas for you. You can check out some of my other ideas in my other videos. Number one, hire a house cleaner for them. This isn't about luxury. This is about survival. It's about necessity, because mess adds to stress, especially for somebody that's juggling grief, exhaustion, responsibilities, way more responsibilities than what you were bargaining for. Whether it's their house or the one that they're caregiving in, a clean space will help bring some calm, some serenity. So it's super important. Number two, give them a chance to rest. Sleep deprivation during caregiving is real. It's immense. People mean well when they come to visit, but one of the best things that you can say is, hey, I've got this. Why don't you go take a nap? Just go lay down and go take a nap for a little while. No problem. I got it. I did that sometimes when people came to visit my brother, and it did help. It helped us feel like we weren't alone in this crazy hard time, because they were there to help support us. Even if it was for a just quick power nap or whatever, it was still a beautiful, beautiful thing. Number three, if you want to help support a caregiver, not just let them take a nap, but say, hey, you need a shower? Go ahead and take a shower. I got this. So, because while taking care of my brother, sometimes showers were optional. And sometimes if I got a shower, I needed to rest afterwards because it wore me out. So when you go to visit somebody, ask that person, hey, you want to go take a shower, go do something for yourself or whatever, go ahead and do that. I did that many times when people came over. If I knew the person and I was comfortable with them, seeing to my brother's needs and things like that, for a short time, I'd just say, hey, I'm going to go take a shower while you're here, if you don't mind. And of course they didn't mind. And I felt better after scraping all the grunge off, All right. So tip number four that you can do for somebody who's caregiving, offer admin help. From disability paperwork to Social Security paperwork to taxes to bills, the decisions, they just never stop. And I did have help, thankfully, from a few of my brother's friends that he worked with. Even then, it was still overwhelming. But if you know how to navigate that stuff, all the legal stuff and Social Security stuff, if you're good at that type of stuff, then please offer to help with that, because that is such a heavy, heavy burden to carry. Number five, be that person's backup. My brother was my go-to for fixing things. And when I lost him, I lost that support. He's the one who I called to drag my car out of the mud. He's the one I called if I had a flat tire, because he knew how to do all that stuff. He's the one I called to have come help me put a new hot water heater in my house. Different things like that. So if your caregiver friend is losing the person that they lean on the most for those types of things, then be proactive. Help fill in the gaps, whether that's home repairs or just showing up with tools and a listening ear, whatever. Just be their backup. So if you could just share this video with somebody who's in the thick of caregiving, you never know what help it could spark in them and help them to be confident enough to ask for help. Because so many times people that are the caregiving, nurturing type people, they don't often know how to ask for help. They don't often know that they can ask for help or that it's okay to ask for help. So share this video, share my other videos with them, and help be their support. So the mess, the exhaustion, the grief, the overwhelm, it all stacks up. But if you can be the person that steps in and lightens that load even just a little bit, you're giving an incredible gift. So again, like I said, check out my other videos that give you more helpful tips on how you can support a caregiver, or what you as a caregiver can tell others when they ask you what they can do to help. See you in the next video.